you. A total mess. How did I even get here? I ask myself every single day exactly how. Which route did I take that was so forbidding that it brought me into this danger? How?
Still trying to stretch yourself.
V, I know you're in there. Open up. I swear to God, V, if you don't open this phone the next 1 minute, I will break it down. V, I know you're in there. Open up. V, I know you're in there. Open up. V, I know you're in there. Open up. I swear to God, V, if you don't open this phone the next 1 minute, I will break it down. V, I know you're in there. Open up. I swear to God, V, if you don't open this phone the next 1 minute, I will break it down.
And who's gonna fix it when you break it?
What a sight. Seriously, V. How do you live like this? Bar to bed, bed to bar. Look at this place, it's a fucking dumpster.
Stop screaming.
Huh?
Ugh. Why are you here?
Why am I? Oh my God. V, why do you think I'm here though? I'm freaking checking up on you. And since you fried your phone, you wouldn't even take your calls.
My phone? Where is my phone?
Okay.
I was upstairs sleeping.
Come on, V.
I have my phone.
Girl, it's been 2 months and counting. What am I even saying? It's been a whole 3 months. V, 3 months. You need to move past this already. Move past the pain, the anguish you're feeling. Girl, you are on the verge of losing your job if you don't snap out of this madness.
So what? If I lose my job, I get another one. And I never liked that job in the first place.
Okay, you get another job. That's if you haven't already killed yourself with excessive drinking, partying, and clubbing by then. Huh? Babes, he is living the best of his life as we speak. Have you been on his IG page? You are the only one taking this so serious, and it is ruining your life. Yeah. God. I hope you didn't come back with any of those losers to this dumpster. I mean, regardless of how broken you may be, you wouldn't bring a guy to this. What are you, V? A pig? Girl, what is wrong with you? Is it the best you can make out of your life? By sleeping with anything that comes around you because of what? A man? Nah, not even a full man. One useless specimen of a man left you. Jeez, girl.
Leave it for me like that. It's my life.
V, this is the same thing you said when I tried warning you against that bastard. Where is he now? Listen, girl, I am sick and tired of being the only one who wants you to be better for yourself. You hear me?
And I am sick and tired of you coming in here acting like you're better than me. I know your type. You really think you have the perfect life. That's why you sit there pretending to care about me. Meanwhile, you fucking don't. And you know what I think you should do? I think you should grab your chip bag and get the fuck out of my house. And never you come back.
V.
You heard me? You are not my friend.
Really?
You heard me.
You know what? You finally got your wish. Now you have no friends left. Enjoy your fucking dumpster.
Get out, bitch.
Love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong. 'Cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong. 'Cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never wane, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna, 'cause love have dealt with me, hey, so I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life. I don't want to fall in love again. No, don't wanna fall in love. I thought I found love in you, and I'm feeling myself that I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong. 'Cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong. 'Cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never wane, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna, 'cause love have dealt with me, so I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life behind. I don't want to fall in love again. No, don't wanna fall in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me.
I'm ready. Where are you?
I thought
Okay,
this
I'm
would
coming
last
outside.
forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna fall, 'cause love have dealt with me, hey, so I.
Hey.
I'm in love.
You alright?
I thought this would last
You work?
forever, but I
Alright,
am so
this way.
wrong, 'cause you
Let's go
just
to my table.
blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but now I know.
Oh, dear God.
That's a bit swollen. Don't you think you should visit the hospital?
I'm fine. Mind your business.
I was just showing concern. But since it's obvious you can take care of yourself, I think I should just let you be and mind my business.
What's this?
Water. Can't you tell?
Are you joking with me? Do I look to you like a girl that would dress up and come to the bar just to drink water?
Well, ma'am, I know you just told me that you're capable of taking care of yourself. But in this condition, I don't think you should take any other thing other than water. So water.
My ankle hurts. It's not my brain that's hurting.
Well, your ankle has got a nerve which connects to the brain, and that makes the pain valid. So you need water, not alcohol. You can thank me later.
It's the nerves of the guy.
Sorry.
tequila, whatever you got. Whatever you have it. Thank you. More. Maybe have another one. Okay, one more. One more, then I go sit down. Thank you.
Really?
Didn't I tell you I could hold my alcohol just fine?
This girl. You need to carry last.
Whatever that means. I'm just gonna sit here and drink as much as I want. And when I'm done, I'll walk out through that door with my head held high.
Very well then. Can I be your drink buddy for the night?
You're on. As long as we remain strangers by the end of the night.
Cheers to that. More drinks, please.
More tequila, not water.
Oh shit, at this point I give up.
I told you I'll win you.
Oh yes, tested and trusted, you're good.
Yeah.
How come you're able to hold alcohol for this long? I mean, a lot of girls can't do that.
I know, I'm a pro at this now.
A pro at drinking. Is that something you should be proud of?
Why? Because I'm a lady?
I'm sorry about that. I didn't mean to sound like a douche. Alright?
No, you didn't sound like a douchebag. You sounded like a narcissistic bastard. What is wrong with you men and your stupid ego? I mean, you guys can walk around commuting nuisance here and there, but if it's a lady, it becomes a different ball game. She can even get crucified for it.
Alright, come on. I apologized already, okay? I'm sorry.
Oh, and your apology is supposed to make things better. I know guys like you. In fact, I know guys in general. You guys walk around with a lot of baggage, and we the ladies are expected to fit in. And we don't even mind fitting in, but what happens at the end of the day, it's we that get betrayed. We get our hearts broken, and then you men just leave us scarred. You don't think we're humans? You don't think we hurt? Why can't you guys understand that we are humans?
Now, why do I have a feeling that this is not just about what I said? Listen, I know we agreed to drink and remain strangers and not to ask each other personal questions. But I can't help but notice. It's not every day you see a lady, beautiful lady like this, dressed like this. Get into a club, get drunk, and then go home. You're hot. It's obvious, I can see that. Can I be the one you talk to?
Oh, why? So that I'll feel better afterwards, you imagine?
Maybe. Why don't you try? listen, you're not the only one that's been hurt. A lot of the people you see in here are hurt too. You may not believe it. I'm equally hurt. Alright? I'm not that kind of guy that walks into a bar or club, gets high, get drunk, go back to a hotel and finds any available girl to sleep with. No, I'm not that kind of guy. But unfortunately, shit's happen. Yeah, shit does. And that shit happened to me.
You're saying you're going through stuff too?
Oh yeah. Hard to believe, but I'm going through a state.
Well, his name is Derek. And we officially broke up about 3 months ago. And no, that's not the first breakup I ever had. In fact, before I met him, I had been with other great guys. Rich, well-to-do. But they were all playboys. They all just wanted a piece of me, and the moment they got it, they always disappeared. It became a pattern. I was always in the midst of a breakup situation. Not once, not twice, not thrice. It was a pattern. At some point, I began to see it as my destiny. I came up with this conclusion that I was never destined to meet good guys. But somewhere along the line, I began to dispel those negative thoughts, that foul feeling of ill luck. I figured even if I was cursed, I could break the jinx. And with that line of thought, I always had the strength to pick myself up whenever I fell. With that, I was back on my feet again, and I met Toby, one of the best men to ever walk into my life.
Yes, I know. Exactly. I know he kept telling me on the phone that he's fine, but I don't believe him. He's probably saying all those just so I don't panic. I'm here. I got some stuff that I'll prepare for him. I'm gonna make sure he eats some good food, and I will make sure he takes his medication. Because you know Toby can be really scared of medicine. Girl, you know, and I always tease him with that, but he wouldn't even budge. Well, this time I'm not budging. He must take his meds. What did you call me? You're funny. I think you should get back to work before that woman bites off your head. While I get to cooking for my man and nurturing him, that's what I'm here to do, isn't that right? I'll talk to you later. Bye, girl.
Are you the new cleaner? Aren't you supposed to be here since morning? What's it by your time?
Who are you?
What sort of silly question is that?
Toby?
Where are you going to?
Baby,
Hello? Where are you going to? Toby.
That was so fast.
Toby, what is happening here? See, babe, I do not care to know who this lady is, but I want her out of this house this minute. I mean, what nonsense?
Toby,
Babe,
are you not going to answer her?
Venice, you're not supposed to be here. You didn't have to come.
I'm not supposed to be here?
Yes, of course.
At my boyfriend's house? My boyfriend who is presumably sick? I shouldn't be here. Why?
boyfriend? Toby, what is she talking about?
You heard me, Auntie. Boyfriend. Toby is my boyfriend. And that makes me his girlfriend. Not his cook or cleaner.
You are not supposed to be here.
So I don't get to see your cheating face?
You didn't have to come.
Toby, you are an embarrassment. Just 4 months into our relationship and you're already cheating on me?
Why? Like, what is happening here? Wait, Toby, you're actually cheating on me.
You two slow the fuck down. Okay. First, we need to reestablish the basis of the stuff before using big words. FYI, I am not cheating on you. Yes, I'm not cheating on you. You and I knew what we're in before getting involved. There is nothing between the two of us. It was just sex, Venus, just sex!
Excuse you?
I don't understand where all this big news emotion is coming from. Where is it coming from?
Just sex, you said?
Of course!
So all the stuff you told me in the bedroom was...
Oh, I say a lot of bullshit while on bed with ladies.
Are you kidding me right now? Are you for real, Toby?
Babe, you need to believe me. Believe me, I love you. I swear to God, there is nothing happening between me and this woman. I swear. She's just some lady I started seeing a few months up when we're not together. Nothing. She's just some lady that I...
Will you shut up? Wait, Toby, you brought this lady home. You call her constantly. You even went as far as telling her that you were sick and you stand here and lie to my face. Are you taking me for a fool again? Toby.
Baby, I'm not. I swear. I love you. There is nothing. I mean, absolutely nothing between me and her. You need to understand that. Please. Babe, 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 babe.
Are you really going to choose her over me? Toby?
Now you listen and listen to me attentively. I hate it when girls don't read the handwriting on the wall. Now you get out of my house and don't come back. Do I make myself clear? Thank you.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink.
I'm here, girl. Madam, get up and eat something. Come on, V. Get up and eat something. Aren't you tired? Haven't you cried enough? Does your head not hurt?
No. My head doesn't hurt.
It's my heart. It's aching. My heart has been shattered into pieces.
Come on, Venus.
You know, Toby is a bastard. Toby is a wicked guy. I can't believe. I don't believe Toby would treat me this way. He had the effrontery to discard me like a piece of shit. And then he went after that girl. That girl that... I don't even know the words to use to qualify her. He chose her over me.
Venus, you've told me this 1,000,000 times. Okay? Enough with it. Enough brooding over this guy and get your acts together. Please.
4 months. It took 4 months.
Thank God it's 4 months. What about Johnson that left you for another girl after 1 year and 2 months together? Huh? Fee, you need to be grateful you saw this side of him on time. Huh?
I'm broken.
Girl, I know.
I'm so broken.
I know. He's not worth your tears. Alright? Get up and eat something. Get up. I made you food. I've got your best fruits here. 3 apples. Okay? Babes, Babes, get up and eat something, please.
No.
Get up. It's okay.
My heart is
I know! But how long are you going to cry over this guy?
It's so hard to be alone.
Listen, I'm that friend that wants the best for you. Alright? If I have to pull you up myself, I would do it. Please, you need to eat. Please. Venus. You're not going to waste my food, so just out with it. Get up. Please.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly?
It was such a long...
Oh my goodness. Right on time.
What are you doing here?
What am I doing? Last I checked, I still live here.
Last I checked, it's over 6 months since you slept in this house. I mean, technically, you moved out.
Technically, not exact.
Girl!
Yeah? So how was your day at work?
Girl!
Yeah.
Oh, welcome back.
Thank you.
Oh, dear God.
So, how was your day?
Manners. I needed this.
I know.
It tasted good.
As usual.
My day was great. I assigned 2 contracts today. After 3 long hours. But you know what?
What?
After this, I'm due for a promotion.
Really? Mm-hmm. And you think you can?
Girl, it's what a long shot. But I won't quit until I get it. I'll give it my best shot. I will.
That's my girl. Keep up the fighting spirit. That's what I'm talking about. So, V,
Yeah.
I'd like you to give me this evening. Yeah, because Richie is taking me out. No, he is taking us out.
Really? Mm-hmm. What's the occasion?
V, you ask as if he never takes us out. He does, remember? It's just that he's been a little too busy these days. Yeah. Anyway, we are going clubbing. So get yourself ready to shake some ass.
I don't know, man. I don't know.
No.
I mean, I don't feel up to it.
No. No buts. Get yourself ready. Okay? Else I am bundling you there myself. We're gonna dance.
No. I think you with that vibe, club vibe, should just stay away from me. Is that why you came, really?
No, I miss you. But yeah, you're going with me to the club. So what a melon girl.
You haven't changed a bit.
No, I won't.
Still the whole troublesome.
Divine. I came here with two. No. We don't do this. It's not for you alone. I came here with two folks. Thank you. Are you coming with me?
She's back.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is beautiful.
Where are you going? I'm not drunk.
No.
You're drunk.
Okay, just sit.
No, that place is spinning.
Babe, maybe we should take her upstairs.
Go away.
Upstairs?
Wait.
Okay, fine.
No, I'm fine.
Let's go upstairs. Let's go.
I'm fine.
You know I gave him everything.
I know.
Everything.
I know, baby. I know, baby girl. I know.
So why did you do that to me?
Hold her.
Oh my god.
Let's take her upstairs.
Okay. Stop it now. Stop it.
This way.
V, please, let's go upstairs, okay?
I don't believe in love anymore, 'cause love is so we get
Oh my goodness, babes.
Hi, baby.
That was a lot of work.
I know, right? I can't.
I'm thirsty.
Okay, go easy a little bit. Alright, fine.
Whew, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Baby, I know you want me to go home with you.
Okay.
But I'm sorry. I can't. I need to stay back and take care of
He's
her.
okay. I get it. It's fine.
Thank you. You know, she acts all strong and fine, but I know she's not.
Well, I can't tell about that, but if you want me to stay over, I can stay.
Really? You will?
Yeah, I can.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Thank you, darling.
What to do is you. When it's you, I can do anything.
I am happy. Thank you so much, okay?
You're fine.
All right, so,
So you go check up on her.
yes, I will. And, I'll get this
Easy,
something to
girl. Easy, girl.
What?
Easy, girl.
Go away.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified.
Hi. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are
Hope
you?
you slept well.
Oh, I won't sleep without you by my side, so.
I know. Okay, why don't you go sit?
Okay.
I'll get you your coffee, all right?
You where I wanted?
Sit. I'll be right back.
Famished.
Okay. I am here. There you go, baby.
Ah, baby. All right, you knew I wanted, right?
Of course.
Okay. So come here. Where you go?
What?
What's my morning kiss?
Oh my god.
Oh, you can't leave me all cute like that, right?
I know.
Good morning, guys.
Hey, hey!
Good morning.
You're awake. Uh-oh.
The lights are too bright.
I know. One step at a time.
Oh, my head is banging.
Sorry. Here you go.
What happened to me?
You had a little too much to drink last night.
I did, huh?
Yeah, you did. You did. So I'm taking you to the seat. Had a little too much to drink.
Way too much.
Sit. That way. Okay. Easy.
Oh, dear God.
Here you go. You can rest your back. Yeah. Easy go.
Oh, my head.
I know. You know, I have the remedy for this hangover. Okay? I'll be right back. Baby, look up to her. What?
Let's get it.
You okay? Look at you. Good. I'll be back.
Oh, dear God.
Sorry.
Oh.
Alright, girl. Here you go. Baby, excuse me. Yes. Here.
You got it already?
Yes, I do. Easy.
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome.
You're right, darling. What would I ever done without you?
I wonder. Okay. You guys, have your coffee. I'll be in the kitchen. Breakfast will be ready soon. Okay?
Oh, thank you so much.
You're welcome. Finish up. Baby, your drink. What? Are you good? I'll be right back.
Okay.
Oh, dear God.
Sorry. Can I help you with that?
Let me see that. What's this? What's this? Is this what I think it is? Oh my God! Oh my God! When? Don't tell me. Last night? Was it last night? Seriously? Yeah, but I was so fucked up last night.
It's okay, V.
I'm sorry. I'm genuinely sorry.
V. It's not as if I was expecting him to pop the big question right there in the club above the loud music. So it's good. I'm good.
I'm happy for you.
I know.
Congratulations, girl!
Thank you.
I'm genuinely happy for you.
Thank you.
You're the man.
You already know that.
It's beautiful.
Oh my God.
Thank you, baby.
The man got to do what he got to do.
That's right. That is right. Oh my God, I need to breathe. V, let's eat. You're getting married. I am. You are getting married.
Now you said the word. It's
My friend's getting married!
it's a very, very, very dream come true.
That's right, girl. Look at those rocks.
I did that.
Yeah, you did.
I did that.
Yeah, you did.
I did that.
Blender. Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drunk.
I wonder if I'll still be able to be genuinely happy for people that stuff like this happens to. My belief in love is gradually growing thin. V?
Yeah.
Do you think stuff like this will ever happen to me?
Oh. You may not believe it now, but I'm sure of it. Every single girl out there has that one special person God has designed their destinies to be together. It may take time, but you will find him when the universe says so. Okay?
When? When? Because I am tired of waiting.
No.
I'm definitely tired of hoping.
No, girl. You don't have to be. God's time, they say, is the best. Believe me. I mean, he has a way of showing up when we mortals are tired of doing things our way. You would find him. Trust me. Okay?
I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking.
She was right. That wasn't the right time for me to witness such a happy occasion. And I really hated myself for not being there for my friend on one of her happiest days. I mean, it's only a sadist who would be that angry at something good happening to her friend. And I hated that I was becoming that person. So when they set their wedding preparation in motion, and I was given the maid of honor role, I threw myself right in, refusing to have a minute to brood about my not so perfect life. And so I did with work. And yeah, I did get that promotion, but I couldn't even be genuinely happy for myself, for my hard work, my diligence. Instead, I felt so empty inside until that night, the night I supposedly noticed him.
blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, no pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me? Oh, is love against me, or do I just have a new luck? Yeah, so I'm asking why. Why am I always crying? I don't believe in love anymore, 'cause love is so wicked to me. I was broken, my heart is deep in a blender. Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, no pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me? Oh, is love against me, or do I just have a new luck? Yeah, so I'm asking why. Why am I always crying? I don't believe in love anymore, 'cause love is so wicked to me. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, no pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me? Oh, is love against me, or do I just have a new luck? Yeah, so I'm asking why. Why am I always crying? I don't believe in love anymore, 'cause love is so wicked to me. I was broken, my heart is deep in a blender. Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, the pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me oh? Is love against me, or do I just have a new luck? Yeah, so I'm asking why. Why am I always crying? I don't believe in love anymore, 'cause love is so wicked to me. Hey. Hey. I was broken, my heart is deep in a blender. Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, the pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me oh? Is love against me, or do I just have a new luck? Yeah, so I'm asking why. Why am I always crying? I don't believe in love anymore, 'cause love is so wicked to me. Hey.
Oh, so good to be back. Water. Look who we have here.
Hey, girl.
When did you get back?
Oh, not quite long.
And you're already in the kitchen cooking up a storm, aren't you?
As usual.
Well, it's a good thing to have you back, girlfriend.
Thank you.
You know I missed your food.
I know.
Turn around, because
my
you're
God.
glowing, Mrs. Richie to be.
Not now, V.
What?
Go upstairs, get showered, change, and dinner will be set in time.
Yes, I can't wait.
Turn around.
I'll be down shortly.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Oh, God.
Thank you.
I swear, V, it's like I was a princess in my former life or something. Because, I mean, I literally did nothing.
Well, I can understand why it's like that. I mean, this family have no history of having female children. And with you about to be married as daughter-in-law, surely everyone will automatically take you to be their sister. And that should make you happy.
Did you say happy? Babes, that's an understatement. I am thrilled.
I know.
You know, I've listened to conversations about girls discussing about their will-be in-laws and all that.
Oh, yeah. Some even wish for their mother-in-law to be late.
Exactly. You're right.
Yeah.
I am an exception. Totally an exception. God, whatever will happen to my mother-in-law should happen to me first.
What? Did I really hear you say that?
Yes, girl, you don't understand. This woman is so good. Her husband is not an exception either.
Well, you make it sound like you've had it easy since you've been dating that guy. I recall you've had your fair share of fights. One time, he had this crazy psychopathic girlfriend that wanted to pour acid on you. She and her friends. Remember that? Girl, that was an error. Listen, what you're enjoying now is the benefits of all the battles you fought and won. So, girl, enjoy it.
Thumbs up to me. But not to worry, girlfriend. Your time is coming, okay? You're going to meet your Mr. Right and it will end in praise.
Well. That's if I haven't met him already.
You're kidding?
What?
Oh my goodness, girl, shut the front door! How? Since when? Babes, when were you planning on introducing him to me? Girl, that's not fair.
This is why, the way you bombarded me with questions, that's why. Eat your food.
No, don't even give me that. No, I remember how you literally drilled the information for me when Richie and I got together. It's your turn. Girl, spill every detail.
You're gonna choke on your food.
Girl.
Okay, I'll make you a promise.
What?
We finish eating, move over to the parlor area. Then I could tell you about him. I might even show you what he looks like.
For real? You promise?
You heard me.
I'm eating already.
You.
I can't wait to see.
You're so predictable. What?
Cheers, girl. Cheers, girl.
To find in love.
Yes. And to staying in love.
Yaha.
We're done eating. Keep to your word. I need to see you guys. Show me.
Are you sure you're ready?
I am.
Okay. And then
I'm so excited.
there it is.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
He's handsome.
I know, right?
This guy's so bloke.
Tell me about it.
Girl, I can literally perceive his charisma oozing from him.
From the phone. Girl, please, give me that phone.
You know I'm right.
No, you're exaggerating right now.
No, I'm not. Oh my goodness, girl. No wonder you've changed.
I have?
Yeah, you literally gained some weight.
Stop it. Stop playing with me.
Girl, have you looked at yourself in the mirror recently? What am I even saying? You know, you always need to look at yourself in the mirror because you need to look good for your Prince Charming.
I know that's right. And that's what I'm doing.
I know. So,
What?
so girl, you guys haven't met.
Not yet.
Why? I mean, he seemed like a pretty decent person.
Oh, he is.
He's good, so why? What does he do?
He is a mechanical engineer.
Okay.
He lives in Port Harcourt.
Mm-hmm.
And guess what?
What?
We are meeting this weekend.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
He has a business trip to make down here, and we figure it's a great opportunity for us to meet, right? Plus, he is planning on relocating. That's if he gets the promotion he's hoping on.
Oh, I hope
Fingers
so
crossed.
too. Yeah.
Fingers crossed.
I hope so too, girl. I mean, that would be so great.
I know.
Yeah, being closer to each other will make your relationship easy.
Tell me
I'm
about
happy
it.
for you.
Thank you very much.
Now, girl, I'm giving you 1 month max.
To do what?
After seeing him one-on-one, to introduce him to me. Else, girl, I'm gonna be stalking him on all social media
Oh,
platforms.
you wouldn't dare.
Try me.
Girl, you're not crazy. That's what crazy bitches do. You're not that girl.
Oh my God.
But yeah, I'll introduce you to. It's not
I'm
a problem.
so happy for you.
Thank you very much. You were so sweet.
Wow, who could have thought that my own friend
Yeah.
who hates all this social
Yeah, I
media,
know, I know,
long
I
distance
know.
relationship, will be going on for like how long? 4 months?
Girl.
4 whole months.
Tell me about it.
How you beat my imagination this time?
Well, I aim to please.
What's his name again?
Derek.
Derek.
Yeah, I mentioned it.
Derek.
With the D. Girl, leave me alone.
I'm happy for you.
Thank you very much. Oh, you're so sweet.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my...
Wow, look who we have here. Venice, aha. You know, I'm sorry about that. Like I was saying, our destiny must be so aligned. You know, I was thinking of paying you a visit anytime soon, and here you are. You don't take your calls or even reply my text. All right, they didn't go through. It seems like you blocked me.
What are you doing?
I'm trying to hold a conversation with my girl. Yes, it's been a while, but you still look very beautiful, so beautiful as always. I can't wait to see you know what I'm talking
You
about.
must be stupid to have thought that I'll pick your call after the last time. Does your girlfriend know you're talking to your ex? Wait, let me rephrase that. Does she know she's your newest toy?
Dennis, you always break my heart with your words. Why? But because of that little mishap that happened in my place the other time? If you had picked my call, I would have explained to you what happened. What happened exactly? It's not what you're thinking, trust me.
Leave this place. Now.
Why? I miss you. Didn't you miss me?
Are you mad?
Dennis, this is actually a public place and I don't think we need to pick up a fight here. I believe the young lady has made her stand known to you. And you are? You're a gentleman, you should respect that. You're in my seat. Get lost. And you are? I am the man who's going to put a ring on your finger. The man who's going to make sure that scumbags like yourself don't come anywhere close to her again. And most importantly, the man who's going to make sure she's extremely happy. Now, does that answer your question?
I'm not kidding. It's kidding, right? Tell me it's kidding.
I said get lost.
Hey man, take it easy.
I should get lost and let the single girl breathe.
No.
It's alright. I have to take you out of this place. I think this establishment's there. I don't really have the ill manner that.
What kind of rubbish is this?
You need to calm down. We're in a public place. They're looking at us. Okay, it's fine.
Come on, Phil. You don't have to feel sorry for something you didn't do. It's not your fault. Why are you putting your head down?
Why the humiliation?
You're shouting. We're in a public. People are looking at us. Relax. It's fine.
I'm really embarrassed by what happened earlier.
Come on. The rest of you what? You have an ex? Or exes? I mean some crazy ex? Come on. I didn't come down here hoping to come meet you a naive virgin. I knew you had a past. And so do I. That doesn't make us bad people or ineligible to find love, does it?
You're not ashamed of yourself. You're a fool.
Hey, baby, you need to understand.
How dare you? How dare you touch me?
Don't say. There's this new lunch a friend of mine told me about. I said I was going to try it whenever I come to town. I was going to take us there after eating here. But I haven't witnessed what happened there and how this guy ruined your mood. I think that would be the best place to go now to at least help lift your mood. So please, let's go.
I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer.
Thank you.
You're
Beautiful
welcome.
place you have here.
Thanks. I had such a great time. It's really amazing how you don't reside in this city, yet you know a lot of places.
I know, right? I mean, like I said before, I got to know about these places through my friend who is a food and nature lover. I mean, he updates me with every new spot in town.
Nice.
Yeah.
Nice. And I am still feeling bad for, the incident with the guy. I didn't mean for that to happen. I never envisaged that we'd meet under such awkward situation. Crazy.
Is that why you wouldn't meet my eyes?
Well, kind of.
I meant what I said. We all have baggage. We've hurt others and we've been hurt. It's just the reality of life. I like you just the way you are, V. No addition, no subtraction. Just you.
Sit down. Let me make you coffee.
Oh, okay.
I make
Beautiful.
the best coffee.
Really?
Yeah.
I can't wait to try it.
And hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love?
That was how we kicked off.
Derek did get that promotion. He moved into the big city. Divine and Richie got married. 2 years down the line, everything was sailing smoothly.
Until what happened? Listen, you don't have to tell me if you do not want to. I totally get it. Alright?
I missed the signs. The midnight calls. The hushed phone conversations. The constant business trips. Even the office late night calls. I should have seen them. I should have embraced the truth when Divine came revealing them. I'm sorry. What did you just say?
V, please calm down.
Wait a minute. You just told me a whole lot of cock and bull story about my man, and you want me to calm down? How?
See? This is exactly why I didn't want to tell you in the first place. Because I knew you were going to take it this way. But what am I supposed to do? Sit and watch my friend get burned? V, believe me, Derek is not whom you think he is.
Shut up and get out. Right this minute, girl. You heard me.
Excuse me?
Mm-hmm. Be gone and never you come back here.
V, please, I just want you to be careful, okay? I don't want you to be at the crossroads, hurt and abandoned again.
Okay. Well, it's nice to know your wishes for me, but I'll have you know that I'll never, ever be at a crossroad. And even if I eventually find myself at a crossroad, I would never come to you. You understand? Now get to stepping. Move it, girl. Move.
Whatever. Suit yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Don't come running back to me.
These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, the pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me oh? Is love against me, or do I just have a new luck? Yeah, so I'm asking why am I always crying? I don't believe in love anymore.
Babe, what's wrong? What is it? You know, I was worried when you called out of the blue to cancel your sleepover. What is it? Baby, talk to me. What is it? Is it work? What's wrong?
Derek, kiss me.
Wait, what? Come on, talk to me. What is it? What's wrong?
Kiss me now.
That's why I'm asking, Is love against me? Or do I just have a new luck? Yeah, so I'm asking why. Why am I always crying? I don't believe in love.
Where are you going?
Olivia, getting out of here. I can't believe you, Vay. I mean, you're choosing your friend's words over mine? God.
Babe, it's not like that. Divine was worried and...
And she lied to you. And you stupidly believed her. Huh? Wait. Was that why?
Why what?
Why you cancelled? I mean, we were supposed to sleep over at my place tonight. But then you called out of the blue to cancel. Was that why? I can't believe you. 2 years, V. 2 years into our relationship. And now you're doubting, you choose now to doubt my sincerity?
It's not that way. I mean, it's not like I believed her. If I did, I wouldn't have asked you. I wouldn't have told you, don't you think?
Well, who knows? Who knows if you just want to hear it from me? You want to hear if indeed I am cheating on you? Isn't that it? Who knows how much more she fed you with? Who knows how much more you're harboring in your heart about me? I'm not good out for all of this.
That I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever.
Who does that? So, you went ahead and told him.
I was distraught, okay? Derek and I never hid anything from each other.
Come on. But not to the point of ratting your friend out to him. That would create a bad impression, don't you think so?
It did. And that ruined our friendship. I mean, Derek went and confronted Divine, and Divine, being Divine, didn't refute the claims. It ruined our friendship. She stopped talking to me. She stopped coming to my house. We stopped hanging out on Saturdays, on weekends like we usually did. She stopped inviting me to her house for dinner on weekends. I mean, even when her parents-in-law had their wedding anniversary, Rich invited me. Divine saw me there and pretended like she barely knew me. She was pretty hot that I didn't see the truth that she was making me see.
Okay, then you found out he was cheating on you, yeah?
In fact, technically, he wasn't cheating on his wife. I'm the one that he was cheating on her with. It turns out he has a wife, or should I say, a fiance, whom he's been with for over 8 years.
Hold on a minute. You mean wifey or fiancé? Because I don't get it.
Hey, babe. Yes? Of course, I'm getting ready. Are you here yet? Wow. Well, hurry up. I'll be here waiting for you. Okay. Derek? Is that you playing pranks again? I'm coming. Yes? Oh, hello. Hi. Who are you? So, this is the hole he's been hiding you. I'm sorry. Who are you? What an amazing place you have here. So this is the hole he's been hiding you? What? I don't know you, and we don't know each other. Why are you here in my house? Did you miss your way or something? What do you want? Am I? Really? Let me think. What do you make of a woman who's been busy screwing another woman's husband? And from the information I got, you seem to be a really decent lady. But aren't you ashamed of yourself to stoop so low to be a side chick? Excuse you? What are you talking about? What? You want to say more? Drake, the man you have been scrolling for the past 2 years, is actually my husband. What? Please, don't pretend as if you don't know. You are not his first side chick. You certainly won't be the last. Ask his other side chick. They will tell you that he's a cheat and a liar. So please, as a smart lady that you are, I believe you know what to do.
I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never wane, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love. Hey,
V, are you home?
I'm crying.
V!
That's why I never wanna.
V!
Have dealt with me, though I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life. I don't want to fall in love again. No, don't wanna fall in love.
Hey, it's your girl time. Talk to me. Hello, someone in the house?
I thought I found love in you, and I'm feeling myself.
There's no one here. V! V, what's going on with you? What happened?
I thought this would last forever,
Talk to me.
but I am so
V!
wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again.
Babe, what's going on? You were supposed to be ready and waiting for me. You're not even dressed. Babe, what's she doing here?
Are you being serious right now? Like really, really serious? Oh my God. Man, you've got nerves coming in here, Mr. Derek.
Of course I have to be here to pick up my girl for an event we both need to attend. What did you do to get her mood for it like this?
Excuse you. What I did to... You're sick. The actual question should be, what did you do? Who else? You know, when you stormed my office about a year ago, I thought to myself, maybe I was wrong. Yeah. Maybe I judged you harshly. Maybe the information I got was wrong. Maybe I needed to cross-check facts rather than jumping into conclusion. But guess what? I was right the whole time. You are a scumbag, a cheat and a bloody liar.
Excuse you the hell out.
Exactly. You are excused to go to hell and burn. Now get out of here. Get out and stay out.
Come on, baby, what's going on? I don't know what it is they've told you, but you need to tell me and, give me a chance to defend myself.
You mean I should give you some space to tell me more lies and give me false hope? You want me to give you more opportunity to ridicule me, Derek? To ridicule me more than you already did? Is that what you want?
Baby, I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what it is they fed you with. Well, you don't have to believe them. They are all lies. Babe, there are a lot of persons who don't want to see you and I together. Don't you see it?
Well, what I see is a lying man standing before me, lying. Lying about his life, about his family. If you think I fell out with my friend because of you, when all she did was stand by me, you need to go.
Come on, babe. You don't have to. Please talk to me, baby, please.
No. Leave. Right now. Leave.
What did you tell her again?
Here he goes again. I didn't need to tell her anything. Have you forgotten? We stopped talking after that fiasco the last time? Huh? Why don't you go and ask your wife what she told her? Yes, go do that.
My wife? What are you talking about? I am not married.
Really? I know. Lots of you ain't married. That's some stale news. Please, she's not in the mood right now, okay? She's not stable. You can come back when she's ready to listen to you. You can go. Go.
Babe!
I said leave!
My wife. Did you say my wife?
No. I meant your husband. Okay, get out. Get out. Go and handle the mother of your kids. Get out. Get out. Get out!
Babe!
Go and handle the mother of your kids. Get out! Let me go eat her behind. Go! She's done with you. She's done. She's through with you. Let's come back. Get out.
I thought this would last
Babe!
forever.
Get out. Now! I
So
want to see your back. Turn around.
'cause you just
Go!
blame
She's no longer interested. Get out. Huh.
I thought this
See,
would last
he's gone.
forever, but I am so
See, I hope you're not
wrong.
crying again.
'Cause
See?
you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna fall, 'cause love have dealt with me, so I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life.
Babe, please don't be like this. At least just give me a chance to explain to you. Please. Let's go somewhere. Let's talk, please. Please.
I do not want to talk to you, Derek. You had your chance and you blew it. Out of my way.
Baby, please just give me another chance.
I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying.
Imagine my life without you.
That's why I never wanna fall, 'cause love have dealt with me, so I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life, babe. I don't want to fall in love again. No, don't wanna fall in love. I thought I found love in you, and I'm feeling myself that I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey,
I know you don't want to see me. Neither do you want to talk to me, which explains why you blocked my line. But please, V, I need to talk to you.
Derek, didn't I say to you that I don't want to see you?
But you need to hear me out. Please, I am not going to take much of your time, please. 30 minutes. Or even 10 minutes is fine. Please, I need to talk to you, V.
I thought this would last forever.
Well, let me hear it, Derek. Let me hear the lies and excuses you have come up with to defend the lies you told all through our relationship. Let me hear it.
Firstly, I am going to apologize. I'm truly sorry for everything. Believe me, this wasn't how I wanted you to find out.
Oh, it wasn't?
I was going to tell you, V.
You were? When? You had 2 whole years and 4 months to have told me that you are married. You didn't think to tell me that I was dating a married man.
I'm sorry. I mean, I'm truly sorry. But I am not a married man.
You expect me to believe that? The woman in question showed a photo of you and 2 children. Your children. Did she make that up too?
Not entirely. But a part of being married. Okay. Lauren and I dated for 7 years. It was an on and off relationship. We didn't know what we were doing. Or better still, she didn't know. You see, Lauren is a very difficult woman to deal with. Our first breakup happened 3 years into our relationship, when she took in with our first child. We didn't want pregnancy. I wasn't making enough money at the time, so I suggested an abortion, which she didn't accept. After so much fights and arguments, she said she was going to have the baby, with or without my help. So she broke up and moved on with her life. I was searching for greener pasture, so I kept on pushing. But nothing was forthcoming. After so many failed attempts, I decided to go look for Lauren. I went in search of her and I found her with the baby. Our son was 3 months old at the time. I felt so bad. I didn't like the situation I saw her in. I mean, no woman deserved to be in that condition. Not even a lady who had just given me my first child. So I said I was going to do something to change her situation and that of the child. I vowed I was going to be in the child's life. I vowed I was going to make things better for her and my son. I vowed to be in my son's life. So I did everything possible to make it work. We got back together. And then she helped me with the job I am doing now, which she got through the connections of her father. But then things started to change about her. I started to witness different behaviors and different characters of her. So much that I could barely tolerate. But because I loved her, I stayed back. After some time, she told me she was pregnant again. Because things were already going fine, I decided it was wise that we take our relationship to another level. So I proposed and she accepted. But she still wasn't happy. She wanted more. She wanted more out of life. She started to make demands that I could barely afford. She had friends who were married to richer guys, so she would always compare me to their husbands. She wanted me to be like their husbands. For our wedding, she decided it was going to be a destination wedding. It was just too much. It was just too much. She said she couldn't continue to live a life of uncertainty with me. There was no other day but the day she gave birth to our second child. She moved out and moved in with her friend, leaving the newborn baby with her mother. I couldn't trust anybody with the children, so I went to her mother to take the children, and then I called my mother to come and help out with the children. After some time, Lauren came back, bitter, and threatening to arrest me for kidnapping our children. We were able to sort out things, and she started visiting again. After some time, her visitation turned into sleepover nights, and then we became intimate again. Two years later, she left and moved on with another guy. No text, no calls, nothing. But I was sure she was fine because I followed her on IG. And that was when you came into my life. Listen, V. There was something about you that attracted me to you. Something about you wanted me to come really close to you. Something about you wanted me to be in touch with you. V, I have never loved any woman the way I love you. I was scared to tell you about my kids. I thought if I tell you, you would leave me, just the way Lauren did. And then I'll be left broken. Believe me, V, it is you I want to spend the rest of my life with. Not Lauren, not anyone else. But you.
Hey, My heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly?
Are you fucking serious, V? You're back with him? Girl, are you out of your mind?
I'm in love, Divine.
With a married man, for crying out loud.
Listen, he's not married. He was formerly engaged to her, but not anymore. Listen, he has explained everything to me, and frankly speaking, I really should have listened to his side of the story before jumping into conclusions.
Fine. Maybe you should have. But it doesn't change anything. He's a dad.
And I had told him, it's not every guy that will own up to his responsibilities and live by it. Derek is that guy. He told me he's no longer with his ex, and I believe him. Soon, we'll be visiting his children.
You don't know what you're doing. You don't know what you're doing.
I love him. I love him so very much you have no idea. He makes me happy. Oh, I absolutely love who I am whenever I'm around him. You know what? Let me love this guy.
V, he's not out of the woods, Venus. There's one thing being done with someone and another cutting off that person completely from your life.
Well, from where I stand, Derek is the it guy for me.
V, I hope to God you know what you're doing.
Oh, I do know.
I really do hope you know what you're doing.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why?
I swear Divine must have been a prophetess in her former life, because everything happened exactly the way she projected it.
So what you're trying to tell me is that after the reconciliation, he went ahead and cheated on you again.
Barely 6 months we got back together. He showed up one day at my house and gave me the most painful breakup ever.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so?
Drink? What's wrong?
I think we need to put an end to this relationship. Yeah, that's what's best for us. I'm getting back together with Lauren. Her parents and my parents, they are trying to get us back together.
Your parents? What then is your take on it? I mean, what do you have to say for yourself?
My mom-
Wait, you have made a decision. Isn't that why you're here?
my mom. She thinks it's better I get married to Lauren. And then, I mean,
This has got to be a big joke. Derek, are you pulling my legs right now?
you see, V, Lauren is going through a hard time.
What about me?
Lauren has been through a lot for me.
What about me? I have been through a lot since I started dating you. Oh, because I don't talk about it, it makes you think that everything is fine? Okay. You probably didn't know that your ex kept chatting me and threatening me to leave you alone.
What? She did what? Why didn't you tell me?
Oh, like telling you would have made a difference? I didn't want you to see the mother of your kids as a lunatic.
I wish you told me this sooner.
Oh, well, now it's my fault. I didn't tell you about it and now you are helpless. I didn't tell you about it and now you cannot stop your parents from taking action. Derek, what is going on? Look at me. You said you love me. You said you love being with me. You said you will never leave me. What are you trying to do to me? Is this how little I mean to you?
Come on, babe. You know it's not like that. It's not.
Then what is it like? Because I don't understand what you're trying to do to me. Don't do this to our love. Don't let parental pressure ruin our relationship, Derek. Please. Baby?
Oh, I'm sorry, V. I've got to go.
I'm in love.
Derek, please.
I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but now I know.
Derek.
Once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna fall, 'cause love I've dealt with me.
Derek.
So I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life behind. I don't want to fall in love again. No, don't wanna fall in love. I thought I found love in you, and I'm feeling myself that I'm in love. I thought this would last forever.
It's been 3 months, but it still hurts like crazy. But I still hurt every day. Every day. Clubbing, drinking, and sleeping with guys have all failed in their therapeutic bid to numb the pain I feel in my heart. He was a huge part of my life. I'm nothing without him. Now that he's gone, it feels like a huge part of me left me. Crazy. Crazy stuff.
When last did he call you?
He blocked me everywhere. And I have learned to leave him alone. I deleted his number from my phone. I unfollowed him on all his social media accounts.
Oh, you still have his number offhand? Yeah?
How'd you know that?
Because it would be weird not to. Don't you think so? So when last did he call him?
I haven't called him. And I'm not going to call him. I've learned to deal with the pain. Although things are really complicated with me at the moment. I haven't showed up at work in 4 days. I might lose my job any moment now.
Now that's about time.
Yeah. Well, enough about me. What about you?
What about me?
I just told you my entire life history. Surely you are going to give me something about you in return.
Well, let's just say I had a little eye opener about women.
What is it?
All right. I might not look it, but I am very rich. I mean, very, very rich. And I've met a lot of women, dozens of them. But none seem to love me for who I am, but my money. It was all about the vacations, shoppings, the hairs, the cars, and all of that.
Of course. Women love pretty things. But usually, guys like you, from the stories I've heard, end up meeting this really decent girl. They get married, have children, and then they ride off to the sunset, live happily ever after. Is that your story?
Do things even work that way?
Well, some men have testified to it.
I won't say they don't work like that, though, because some of my friends actually got married like that. So maybe, just maybe, I'm not lucky like that. Although I met someone.
And?
She was an angel. Beautiful. Curvy. Fun to be with. Homely.
And then what? She cheated on you?
You see, cheating on me would have been a little easier for me to handle. Myra was an innocent soul. I met. I loved her. I really did love her. She was different from all the other girls I ever met. She was very supportive. Maybe I pushed her, but I never expected a level of betrayal from her.
What did you do?
What did I do? Nothing. Absolutely nothing.
You expect me to believe that? Listen, there's 3 reasons why women cheat on their men. 1 is lack of funds. 2nd is lack of intimacy. And 3rd would be if the man in question cannot sexually perform. In this case, which is it?
Just coming back.
Yeah.
You're just coming back.
Oh yes, I'm still going to leave. I just came back to freshen up and change into something else. My clients will be at the site in the next 45 minutes, so I need to be there. So how have you been?
You want something to eat?
Don't worry. I'll grab something at the office, okay?
I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but now I know.
Simon, it's 9 p.m. already. Whatever this is can wait till morning.
Darling, I have a client coming tomorrow for inspection. And I have a team of workers working their ass out to make sure we have something tangible to show for it tomorrow. I can't just be here having a good time with my wife while they're out there. Don't worry. After this, I promise you, we'll have enough time for each other. Okay?
That's what you said the last time. What happened after that? We are back here again.
Just this once, darling. Just this once, I promise you.
I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but
I'm back.
now I know.
I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna, cause love have dealt with me, so I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life, I don't want to fall in love again. No, don't wanna fall in love. I thought I found love in you, and I'm feeling myself that I'm in love.
Where could she be at this time?
This will last forever, but I am so wrong, cause you just blame me. I thought this will last forever, but I am so wrong, cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never wait, but now I know.
The person whom you're trying to reach is currently unavailable.
I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna.
The person whom you're trying to reach is currently unavailable.
She's not taking my calls.
I don't want to fall in love again.
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
And now her number is switched off.
That I'm in love. I thought this would last forever.
Oh, she's alright.
But I am so wrong, cause you just blame me.
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank you.
I am so wrong, cause you just play
Still switched
games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never wane, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna, cause love have dealt with me, so I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life, I don't want to fall in love again. No, don't wanna fall in love. I thought I found love in you, and I'm feeling myself that I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never wane, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna, cause love
have dealt with me, so I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life behind. I don't want to fall in love again. No, don't wanna fall in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame
The
me.
person whom you're trying to reach is currently unavailable.
I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna fall, 'cause love have them.
Mira. When did you get back?
A few minutes ago.
Why didn't you wake me up downstairs?
I felt you were stressed, maybe from last night, so I decided to allow you to rest.
Rest? So where did you go to?
Out.
Out? Of course, yes, you went out because you weren't here when I came back. So who did you go out with?
Out with my friends.
With your friends? I guess something happened to your phone, right?
No.
So why didn't you call me before going out with your friends?
I thought you did be busy to take your calls.
No text.
I thought you did be busy to check your phone.
And why didn't you freaking take your calls when I was calling you? Do you know how worried I was? I called and called and called until I slept off downstairs. And this is all I get.
What do you want me to say? Like, what do you want me to say? What are you fishing for? You are doing what you like. You're living your life. Or you expect me to sit down every day, unfolded in front of the television set, waiting for you to come home? No, Simon, I have a life. Let me live it. And I have to live it. Allow me to live it.
That I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame.
Maybe I noticed it too late. But that was when it all started. The late night, the clubbing. She even started smoking. Something I've never seen her do before. I was stunned.
Who exactly was she to you?
She was my wife. I loved her. She never looked at my pocket like the other women I've been with. So I gave her access to everything. I trusted her absolutely.
I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this.
Yeah, how's the work doing? You guys need to hurry up, alright? We have to deliver that work by the end of the month. Please. Alright, heads up everyone.
That I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me.
Debit on my phone, why? What for?
But now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna, 'cause love have dealt with me, so I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life behind. I don't want to fall in love again. No, don't wanna fall in love. I thought I found love in you, and I'm feeling myself that I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never wane, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna, 'cause love have that.
Babe, I'd like to ask you a question.
What is it?
Did you buy anything lately? Or maybe refurbish anything? Or restock the house?
No.
Oh. Did you get into any business without informing me?
Simon, what is it? Go straight to the point. What is it?
What did you do with the win sum of 2.7 million now?
Oh, that. I invested.
Invested? But you just told me you didn't get into any business.
Yes. I said investment, not business. Does the two sound alike?
So what business or investment, like you called it, did you use a large sum of 2.7 million naira for without informing me first? That's so unlike you.
Oh,
It's unlike me.
Yes.
It's unlike me because I did not come to you to kneel down before getting the money, Abby. Simon, have you forgotten I made this money with you? Yes, because I will be here waiting for you all night, all day, till you have little time from your work to come back home. You go on business trip, travel here and there. I'm in this house. I was in this house. I've been in this house waiting for you.
That's not what I asked.
Who cares about what you asked? Simon, you are insulting me just because of ordinary 2.7 million naira. Is it compared to the money you've spent on all those useless girls you met before me? What is it? Because I don't ask you for money, meaning I don't need it, or what?
Why are you so angry, babe? I was just being curious.
What is it? What is it? And so what if I use your money? What is your problem, Seth? What's the big deal? Small time now you say I'm giving you headache. What is it? Who am I supposed to get money from? Are you not my husband? Are you not my husband? Okay, I'm supposed to get money from a sugar daddy or something? Please, I don't want this.
I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me.
Wow.
I thought this would last
Just
forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games.
No, Jack. I needed it for business clearance. Everything is fine, Jack. Jack, give her whatever she asks for. Good. Well, thank you very much for your time. Alright, bye.
My heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, the pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me oh? Is love against me, or do I just have a new luck? Yeah, so I'm asking why. Why am I always crying? I don't believe in love anymore, 'cause love is so wicked to me.
Oh, hello, Mr. Fixit. You came highly recommended. My name is Simon Nodozi, CEO of Sindo's Homes and Interiors. I have a job for you. I know you have information on every human alive in this time. I'm also aware you have a network of dossier on every personality. I'm just wondering if you will have anything on my wife. Alright then. You do your findings and get back to me.
And yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this will last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never rain, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna fall, 'cause love have dealt with me, hey, so I don't want to. I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong.
What in God's name are you doing in the dark? You startled me. You won't talk? Simon, you know, you've been acting strange lately.
Well, that's because I placed you on investigation and I've been waiting for feedback.
What investigation? Have you been going through my stuffs? Like, why in God's name will you go through my stuffs? You know I don't like it when someone goes through my stuff, so why will you do that?
Are you pregnant, Mira?
What sort of question is that?
Maybe I rephrase the question. Why are you pregnant?
Simon, have you been drinking?
Answer the damn question! Were you carrying our child? Because I have a medical report here which clearly states that you had a DNC 3 months ago. So I ask you again, were you pregnant?
It took you long enough to find out.
Is that supposed to be an answer? It took me long enough to find out. What's that even supposed to mean? You killed our child. And that is all you threw at me? Are you out of your senses, Mira? Answer me!
I had a very good reason for that. Yes, I do. I don't know what happened to you, Simon. You totally changed. You started ignoring me. You got married to your work, your business. It was all about that. I didn't even have the time to tell you I was pregnant. You were up and down traveling from one business to the other. I was afraid. I was afraid of raising a child alone. You know what? Let's face this. You are not ready to be a father yet. So we should leave that to when you are ready to be a father, when you have more time for your home and me. Then we can think of getting pregnant or even giving birth to any child.
So that's why you've been on pills. Mira, you know how much I've always wanted to be a father. How much I've always wanted to have our kids run around this house. You had it. But then you threw it away. And you have the guts to blame me for decisions you made. You have been on pills, Mira. You have killed every effort we have made to be a parent. But maybe, just maybe that wasn't the case. Maybe the child wasn't mine, and the only way to cover up for that was to get rid of it. Because you tell me, why will a married woman like you have an abortion without a valid reason?
Are you accusing me of cheating? What are you trying to say?
Was it any good, Mira? I'm in sex with a random guy. Was it better than the sex we have? Was sleeping with your ex worth it, Mira? You tell me. You thought I would never find out. You thought I was never going to find out about you and your ex. So here was that big investment you were talking about. That very big investment. I will greatly, generously forgive you for dashing that vagabond my hard-earned money. Your investment, or whatever you call him. But sleeping with him, that I will never forgive.
Baby, I'm sorry. Baby, I'm sorry. I swear to God, it will never happen again. This whole thing is all a misunderstanding. I was pregnant for you. The child was yours. I swear to God, it was yours. I'm sorry I didn't tell you about the abortion. I'm very sorry, baby. Please, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. The child was yours. It was ours. I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. I'm sorry. You were so neglectful. I thought I didn't matter anymore. I thought you didn't have my time anymore. I'm sorry.
Neglectful? You mean working hard for us, you and I, for our family and our children to come? Neglectful? I was working so hard for the future while you were out there rekindling your love with your ex. I have dealt with lots of pain, disappointment, betrayals. As a matter of fact, I was so sure my worst days were over. I never knew they were just beginning. You are worse than the devil himself.
I thought I found love in you.
Please, I'm sorry.
And I'm feeling
I'm sorry,
the
please, Simon. I'm sorry.
I'm in love.
Oh, but Jesus Christ.
I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong. Cause you're just playing me.
I'm finished.
I thought this would last forever.
4 months later, I served her divorce papers. And it took me 14 months to get rid of her totally. And I've been happier ever after. It's been home to the office, office, back home, home to the bar, from the bar to a hotel, from that hotel back home. It's been a routine I've been accustomed to for the past 2 years. I love the stress-free life.
You do this every day? Move from home to the club, and from the club back home? Oh, I'm sorry, you branch somewhere to a hotel with a girl, of course.
Do I have a reason to lie to you? It's fun, don't you think so? What if somehow you meet someone and someone you really like, and do you think you give love a chance again?
Are you kidding?
No.
There's no real man. There's no man out there. No, I mean, I've been searching and there's none. So I've had just about enough. I mean, I'm done getting my brain played. Yeah. What about you? You still ready to have your heart fried again out there?
I was played by the most righteous of them all. There's no one out there for me. I've accepted my fate.
Never say never.
Right back to you.
Sorry, ma. It's our closing hour. So.
Oh, get your bill.
Oh yeah, get the bills. I'll take care of it.
Nonsense, I'm taking care of it.
No, while I'm here. Don't worry about that, okay? I'll take care of the bill.
Well, I insisting that I'm taking care of it. Are you kidding? You just gave me the best night. I haven't conversed like this in a really long time, and I feel better. Besides, I recall how you helped me earlier out there when I fell to my feet and everybody was laughing at me. You came to my rescue. So this is the least I can do.
As the lady pleases.
There you go.
Okay, let me get the POS. It's against the rules of the company that I can't live with customers' card.
Oh, that's brilliant. Okay. What now?
You are a rare gem, I must say.
How do you mean?
I'll just leave it at that. Just know that you're unique and your best is yet to come.
Okay. Thanks.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, told me that love is purified. But why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love? Or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer.
Yes, these will actually feel better. Go ahead. It's mine, I know. Just wear them.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Go ahead. Feels better, right?
Yeah, it does.
So, where are you going to from here? You going home? You've got a car or?
Strangers, remember?
Oh yes, boundaries. My bad. So you know, I had a great time with you in there. Yes, it was really nice running into you, I must say.
Likewise.
Yeah.
So while I'm gone, where would you be? Back in the club?
Why? Do you want to come with me?
You wish.
No, I will actually go home, reminisce on this beautiful moment, and then have a good night rest. That's all.
Okay.
All right, let me go get a cab for you. Okay?
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified. But why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love? Or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, the pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me oh? Is love against me, or do I just have a new luck? Yeah, so I'm asking why am I always crying? I don't believe in love anymore, 'cause love is so wicked to me. I was broken, my heart is deep in a blender. Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified. But why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love? Or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, the pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me oh? Is love against me? Or do I just have a new luck? So I'm asking why? Why am I always crying? I don't believe in love anymore. Cause love is so wicked to me.
Hello? Yeah, I recall you mentioned something about house cleaning agency somewhere down the road. Very affordable. Good. I want them to come clean my space. My house is a mess. It's a big mess. How soon can they get here? Okay. Okay, please get on it. I'm home. I'm waiting. Venus.
Look at you, baby girl. Look at you. You are so beautiful. And smart. And strong. Listen. All that happened to you is in the past now. It's not the end of the world, baby. You are strong. And you got this. It's time to get back out there and live your best life.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, there's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, the pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me? Oh, is love against me, or do I just have a new luck? So I'm asking why am I always crying? I don't believe in love anymore. 'Cause love is so wicked to me. I was broken, my heart is deep in a blender. Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love? Or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, the pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me, oh? Is love against me, or do I just have a new luck? I so must hide. My heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, the pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me, oh? Is love against me, or do I just have a new luck? So I'm asking why am I always crying? I don't believe in love anymore, 'cause love is so wicked to me. I was broken, my heart is deep in a blender. Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking, and yet I got no answer. So tears has been my fault, and alcohol is my company. Even when I cry, even when I drink, the pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me, oh?
Oh, so it's you. Why it's you? What? I should have known it was you the whole time. It was you the whole time sending me food by my doorstep.
That's not me. You don't need taking care of, remember?
If it's not you, who is it? Well, what are you doing here?
V,
why are you here?
Do I need your permission to be anywhere I want to? Huh?
Oh.
We need to talk. Please. Come with me. Fine.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly? Every day I'm drowning in the pool of my tears. Is there a different love, or is it a crime to fall in love? These questions I keep on asking.
Oh my goodness. V, what happened here? You cleaned up your mess. Are you dying?
I hired a company to clean up.
Brilliant. Someone finally realized she was living in a dirty house. Ha!
Sit down, please. And what do I offer you?
I'm not a stranger here, V. If I want anything, I know where to get it. What's going on?
I'm sorry. I'm really sorry, Divine. I shouldn't have gone off on you the way I did. I was wrong. I thought about it and I realized that in this whole city, you're the only person that always has my back. You're always there for me even when I'm at my lowest. And you do your best to make sure that I pick myself up and become the higher version of myself. The best version, actually. Forgive me. I should have accepted your hand of friendship when you extended it. To be frank, I was too hurt and too ashamed to embrace the truth. Well, now I know better. And so I want you to forgive me.
I have conditions.
Name them.
Henceforth, you will take your life more seriously. I mean, you get serious with your job.
Well, I'm just returning from my workplace and they understand I've been through a lot. They even compensated me by giving me a bigger and better office.
That's good. No more clubbing, except with Richie and I.
Settled.
Good. No more drinks, V. You've had a lot of drinks that would last you for eternity. Huh?
Yeah, I guess I could lay off the alcohol for a bit. I mean, I promise not to get so wasted or drink to the point where I'm wasted, if that makes sense. Okay, what else?
That's it.
So, are we back to being friends?
Well, let me see.
Yes!
Oh my God! Easy, V. You're gonna crush my baby.
You babe, are you pregnant again? Shut up, girl.
No way. Shut up, V. I am. Oh my God, Richie's excited.
I'm so happy for you.
I know. Thank you.
Okay, let me hug you again, but this time gently.
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 you so much. You're welcome. She's back.
Yeah, we're back.
Hey, my heart is blended. I search for love, it's nowhere to be found. Hey, they told me that love is purified, but why is mine so ugly?
Hold on, look at it. You'll be amazed. Oh.
Or is it a crime
Look at
to
that.
fall?
No. Pretty. Thank you. I can't believe it. Hey, I need to use the restroom.
Oh, it's just down that way.
Okay.
First one on the left.
Okay. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Ow.
Why me, oh? Is love against me? Or do I just have a new luck? Yeah, so I'm asking why. Why am I always crying? I don't believe in love.
Well, hello, beautiful.
Hey, handsome.
Wow. You look breathtaking tonight. I could hardly recognize you. Ah. So tell me, what's a beautiful girl like you doing by this time in a place like this? No boyfriend or fiance to go home to?
Okay. If you are indirectly asking if I've got a man now,
Exactly.
the answer is yes. I've got a man and a lady in my life. And they are none other than my friend and her husband. They are the best people in my life.
You never change. 3 months gone. And I was thinking the next time I see you, you'll be changed person. You're still same.
Well, you didn't change yourself. You're still straight like an arrow.
Thank you.
Oh, you want me to change?
Oh, no. Nope. I like you just the way you are. You're perfect. Alright?
I see somebody missed me.
Well, not far from the truth. The fact is, I've not been coming here anymore. Although I've been looking out for you. Yeah, I've been hoping to get to see you again. I'm glad seeing you again after a long while. Too bad we didn't get to exchange contacts the last time.
I know.
Boundaries, like we agreed.
Well, I've been up to a lot. I cleaned up real good. And then I made a promise to my friend and her man that I'd never sing that low again. And never let the weight of the world weigh me down. So these days I hang with my friend when I'm not busy. Sometimes I hang out with my colleagues.
That's good to know.
What now?
Oh, wow. And what's got you smiling so sheepishly?
And you must be the friend that, the friend who never let her ruin her life.
I see someone has been running her mouth. And you must be the guy from the bar months ago. The mystery listener. My name is Mrs. Divine. D for short.
Simon, It's a pleasure to meet you. Finally.
Same here.
Wow. In an era where women find it so hard to take in, I must say you're blessed amongst women.
You must be a different breed of man to have noticed.
Yes?
And you occupying the seat of a pregnant woman.
Oops. My bad. So sorry about that.
It's okay, just pass the drink over.
Alright.
Thank you. Oh, she's told me a whole lot about you in one meeting. I mean, you did what my pestering and nagging didn't do. Thank you so much.
She did a great job in my life that night. She's wonderful, I must say.
Oh my God. Am I missing something? Or you're the ones missing something?
You know, I'd like to ask you, before your friend here.
Ask away.
Why can't it be you? You see, it took the fall that night for us to get to know each other. Obviously, it was not just a fall. It was a divine plan for us to heal each other. Why can't it be me in your life? Why can't it be you in my life? Why can't it be us forever?
Company, even when I cry, even when I drink, the pain can go away. That's why I'm asking, why me? Oh, it's love against me. I thought I found love in you. And I'm feeling myself that I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I can't believe that I'm a fool again. I thought this love will never wane, but now I know. I can't believe that once again I'm crying. I thought I'm in love, hey, but now I'm crying. That's why I never wanna fall, 'cause love have dealt with me, so I don't want to fall. I just want to live my life, I don't want to fall in love again. No. Don't wanna fall in love. I thought I found love in you, and I'm feeling myself that I'm in love. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just blame me. I thought this would last forever, but I am so wrong, 'cause you just playing games. Hey, I fool again. I thought this love will never rain.